Eric Thomason, Blue Nail Enterprises, your home improvement and restoration experts, and we want to talk just a little bit about insurance claims and depreciation. So depreciation is an amount that insurance companies typically remove based on the age of material that they're replacing. So this is called a holdback or a depreciation, withheld funds, and we can recover that depreciation for most policies provided that we utilize all of the funds and do all of the repairs. So that depreciation, now if you take the first check and you go out and you make a car payment or you take a trip to Vegas and you don't do the work, well, that depreciation goes away and it stays in the insurance company's hands. That is only recoverable to you as an insured if you execute the repairs. So it's super important that you understand the depreciation feature and how that is applicable, because we have a lot of customers and insureds that they get the first check and they say, this is not enough to do repairs, I don't know what I'm going to do, and they just simply don't understand the process. So it's very important that you hire a professional. Hire Blue Nail Enterprises, 469-726-2176, or you can find us on the web at bluenailroofing.com and allow us to help you interpret your insurance scope to make sure that you understand how depreciation works and what we have to do to accomplish that so that you can get paid the entire amount to restore your property.